How to turn off two-factor authentication on Telegram. Hello everybody and welcome back to our channel. So let's get started without any further ado. For that, first of all, you want to go ahead and open Telegram application in your mobile device. Once you open the Telegram application, you want to go ahead and log in to your account. Once logged in, go ahead and tap on the settings like icon at the bottom right corner. Inside here, you'll then be able to find privacy and security. Go ahead and tap onto it. And just like so, tap on two-step verification. As you can see, it is turned on, so go ahead and type in your password, then tap on next. And just like so, inside here, you'll then be able to find three options: change password, disable password, and change recovery email. You want to go ahead and tap on the second one that says disable password, then tap on disable. And just like that, you'll then be able to turn off your two-step verification on Telegram. And that is how you can do it, guys. Thank you all for watching the video till the very end and stay tuned until our next upload.